Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today we have the Bezgar Metal Series remote control. I guess it's like a car slash truck. Anyway, this is the box. So it has some cool information on the back there. Tells you about the battery. And let's open up, take a look. So on the inside you got your warranty card. And then this is your remote control. That's pretty neat. And then you have your truck, your 4x4 truck. That's pretty neat. I like how it's got the independent front wheel suspension on it, so that's pretty cool. And it has some suspension springs in the back. And make sure you have 2 Amazon AA batteries, and that will be for the remote. And then also in the box you have an instruction manual, and I mean it's got a lot of good info in there. We have a bunch of little goodies in there. So you got not only one, but you have 2 battery cells, which is cool. And it boasts about 20 minutes of runtime per each battery. So you're looking at like 40 minutes of fun. And then it has your USB charger. It doesn't come with a block, but if you have like a tower or a laptop or something, old phone charger, you can charge your batteries. And it comes with a little screwdriver and some extra screws. I'll show you what that's for in a moment. And then it just has kind of like an information card that comes with it. And what you need the screwdriver for is to put the batteries in. So you have your remote, and at the bottom there's a little screw. So you pull that out. Try not to lose that. Down to your little battery compartment. So just put the batteries in this way. Alright, so there you go. Put that little compartment back on. Put your screw in. Okay. Then his battery goes in his bottom compartment here. There's also a screw to hold this in, because this thing's going to be bouncing around, so you want to make sure that the compartment, and it's got the little tab right here that you lift up on, and then that whole compartment comes out. Now I cheated a little bit, so I charged this battery up for about 20 minutes. It says it takes about 2 to 3 hours to charge fully for each cell, so I just wanted to give it enough charge so we can show how it works. And then this lines up. You have this little tab on top here, and it lines up with those 2 little metal prongs, and then it snaps into place. So you have this little, hopefully we can get that with the lighting that we have available, but this is basically how you disconnect it, is you push on that little tab. Hopefully you can see that, and then that makes that go in and out. And then we lay the battery in, and then we put our compartment back together. And then we put a little set screw in to hold everything together. Now, this is pretty cool. It has like a tie rod adjustment. So if you find that your truck is going to the left or to the right, you can actually adjust this. And that's pretty cool, because you usually don't see that on some of these like lower end toys. This is more like on a higher end toy, so that's pretty good. That's pretty cool. Anyway, so you have your power switch, which is right here. So we're going to turn that on. Then we're going to turn our remote switch on, and then your little light comes on telling you to charge, and then we're good to go. Let's see how the turning works. Okay, Alright, let's see how it runs. Definitely rough house with this a little bit. So keep on running. Just bring it down on the lawn and watch her run around. Okay, so here we are in the driveway. Pretty cool. Let's see how much kind of range it has. So it's got a decent amount of range. And you can see that suspension at work. Alright, there you go. Brian from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching. Be safe out there.